You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's JD.
And Kyle.
And we have some very, very exciting news that we want to share with you guys today. We made our very first video sale.
Woo!
I want to have a lot of like dollar bills and just...
That would be great. Next video.
I know. We had our very first video sale this morning. I woke up and I checked on my phone, as I so often do every morning when I wake up, which probably isn't healthy and you shouldn't do it, but I do it anyway.
It's called an addiction.
And I check our stats, just usually on Adobe Stock and Shutterstock. I don't really check all the other ones. For those of you just tuning in, we're posting currently to 7 different platforms right now for stock. But the 2 that I check the most regularly is typically Adobe and Shutterstock.
Because those are the big guys.
Those are the ones that have produced us the most money so far.
Yeah.
So we have been doing stock since June 1st. It is currently, we're in the middle of August.
Yeah.
So we've been at this for about 2.5 months now doing photo and video. We've actually only been doing video for about a month and a half. When we went to bed last night, we only had maybe $10 that we had gotten in our Adobe Stock profile. But all of a sudden I checked it this morning and our Adobe Stock profile was all of a sudden at $80.
One single video sale.
Yeah.
This video we shot at a vineyard. We like going to vineyards, and this particular day we brought a friend with us. Shout out to Ann Wynn. Wah, 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 wah. We didn't do any research ahead of time as far as like what particular types of shots there might be needed in the video market.
Which we should have.
We should have.
We should have done research and validated our ideas before filming, but we didn't because we were new.
Absolutely. Don't advocate
brand new.
this.
Yeah.
But my point is, we didn't do any research. This was us just starting. This was probably one of our very first times using our Osmo Pocket, our little camera. And we took it out, we shot around the vineyard for a while.
When was this video clip actually uploaded?
It was about a month and a half ago.
July 1st.
July 1st.
So this was in the very first batch of videos that we had uploaded to any of the platforms. We're actually currently only uploading video to 3 different platforms. That is Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond 5.
Yeah.
At the time of this sale, the very first sale that we've ever had on a platform, we had 61 videos currently uploaded to Shutterstock and 108 videos uploaded to Adobe Stock and 194 videos uploaded to Pond 5. So Pond 5 by far has the most videos uploaded. It's 194. Out of those 3 different platforms, we made the sale through Adobe Stock, which at the time had 108 videos uploaded, and it took about, I guess,
About a month and a half.
about a month and a half
Yeah.
for that first sale to happen.
We went up to a vineyard in North Georgia, as we do. And this particular shot was just walking between the rows of grapevines. Nothing special going on, just walking through the rows. And we took it home, we edited it with our very limited video skills on iMovie.
Yep.
We uploaded it on our 3 different platforms. And lo and behold, a month and a half later, we have our first video sale.
The actual sale itself was $70 on Adobe Stock. We uploaded it in 4K, as Kyle was mentioning earlier, the actual equipment that we were using for this particular shot was just an Osmo Pocket.
Yep.
It's a little baby GoPro type camera that is on a gimbal. And so it already had some kind of basic stabilization, but we didn't know what we were doing. We don't know how to walk properly with a gimbal. We don't know, like, we're
Right.
just like pointing, walking through a vineyard, like, la 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 la, like, look at the trees, look at the sky, like, la la la.
And it's sold.
Yeah, and it's sold. And
That's the crazy part to
the
me.
The slow motion version of the clip. So I think the clip in regular motion was probably a little bit too shaky, but with our limited knowledge of iMovie, we decided to slow it down a little bit, I guess you're not going to see the shakes as bad when something is in slow motion.
Right. I think the moral of this story is we've been doing video and photo for a hot minute now. It's been about 2.5 months since we started doing stock in general, a month and a half since we started doing video. So it took a whole month and a half before we got even one video sale, which is kind of a daunting prospect just starting out, especially to say that you might not get any payday for like over a month. And when you do, it's going to be really slow then too.
Versus for photo, we saw our first photo sale within like 1 to 2 weeks of posting.
Right.
But it was only a 25-cent sale, Or can you chug along longer and just post up video and maybe not see a sale for like a month and a half, but when you do see the sale, all of a sudden it's $70 versus the 2 months worth of 2 months worth of photos that we've been uploading so far, we've only gotten like 20 something dollars from.
Right.
And that's from making tons of different photo sales. And all of them are like 35 cents, 25 cents, some are maybe $1. If you're lucky, we have like $2 or $3 or something per sale. So I guess looking at these numbers overall, we always suspected that you would make more money from video than from photo. However, our background really is mostly in photo up until this point. We have...
Might change that now though.
Yeah, possibly.
Might be changing.
But professionally, we've always just done photography. We've never really pursued video very much. But
right.
At this point, seeing, I guess, the potential in stock for video looks like it could be much more lucrative.
Yes. So that's what we're interested in. That's what we're going to check out over the next few months and see how the sales start to pan out. I've been doing a lot more video creation and posting over the last couple of weeks. So once we've got more videos online, hopefully we'll see some more video sales and have a better whole picture of what works and what doesn't.
Yep. Up until this point, this is just a quick middle of the month report. We've gotten around 20, 30-ish dollars from photos so far, about $70 from video. So from about 2.5 months worth of doing stock, we've generated about $100.
Woo!
But we've also spent a lot more than that.
That's another topic.
Yeah,
That's another day.
But anyway, stay motivated. If you guys are trying to do stock photo or stock video, it takes time to get in the search engines. It takes time for your images or your photos to actually work in the system. So always keep that in mind as you are, if you're new and if you're just starting out and posting to these different sites.
Just hang in there.
Yep, that's about it for today. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any particular questions about video, stock, or anything like that, or stock video,
please leave a comment. We'd love to talk with you guys.
Below. If your name is Ann Wynn, we love you very, very much. And if you are new here, and if you are interested in learning more about stock photography or stock video, or just in general making more money with your camera, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon below, and we will see you guys next time. Ah, it's my butt.
Do you want to try again?
I forgot to turn off the AC.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if that makes a difference.
Whoops.
That's fine.
It's okay.
You're saying. Sorry.